From your startup screen, browse to Chapter 20 and open the file Chapter 20 Custom Materials. All versions of Revit, Architecture, Structure and MEP share their material libraries with any other Autodesk product that you have loaded onto your computer, as long as they're the same version. From the Manage tab, we can click on Materials and access the material libraries that have been installed. Here in the Material Browser, we can see Autodesk Materials, which is a locked library, as are the AEC materials. We can create a new material in the document and create a new library. The files are saved as an ADSK-LIB file extension. And if you're creating a new library, this should be done on a network share so that anybody else working on the project has access to that material. If they don't, then any rendering or presentation drawing they create will not reflect the materials that you have created. So in here, I could browse to my project folder and create a new file called My Materials and click on Save. Clicking this button will add a new material to the library. Once I have the new material created, I can give it a specific name. Not very original, I know, but just as an exercise. And assign it properties. Let's say that we want to check its appearance. We can find a similar material. And once this is done, we can browse down in the Material Browser and start changing some of the categorization. We can right-click and add this to My Materials. This material is now available for me to assign to objects in my projects, whether we do a rendering in Revit or exports to other programs such as Max, as long as the other users have access to this library.